tiger, everyone. 虎年快乐。
2022 is the year of the water tiger. It is predicted that people born in the year of the water tiger will be calm, cautious, and ambitious.
Red is often a color associated with the Lunar New Year. As you see the decorations in the PAC right now. And it's also why I'm wearing this red linen tie, as the color is a favorable one, and it symbolizes energy and good luck and happiness. And I think all of those are things we could also use right now.
Lunar New Year, also called Spring Festival, is one of the most important holidays in the world, and is the time when families come together. Given that this assembly is our first time together as a school in person in almost 2 years, I'm thrilled to be here to celebrate this very special occasion with all of you, my Landon family.
I've had the pleasure of studying Chinese here since I was in 6th grade, and I've really enjoyed my experiences and learned a great deal about the Chinese language and culture.
唱起你的乐器，唱起你上所让我知道，让我拥有你真心的面孔，让我们的笑容充满着青春的骄傲，为明天献出虔诚的祈祷。
To me, Lunar New Year is about spending time with your loved ones, learning about what the food symbolizes, and learning about the customs, and last but not least, enjoying scrumptious food. Lunar New Year is a time for new beginnings and a way to drown out evil spirits. 最后，我祝大家虎年快乐. I wish everyone a happy year of Tiger. Thank you.